Have you ever wondered why some people seem financially stress-free, while others constantly feel trapped by their money? Well, here's the good news. This can be the year you finally master your money and start living with confidence. Today, I'm sharing 7 personal finance goals you absolutely need to crush this year. Let's dive right in. Chapter 1. Build your Sleep Well Fund. I know. Calling it an emergency fund doesn't sound super exciting, but let me put it this way. Imagine going to bed each night, knowing you're financially ready for any curveball life throws at you. That's powerful, right? Whether it's an unexpected car repair, sudden job loss, or urgent medical expense. Having this safety net means you won't have to panic or dip into debt when surprises happen. So, how do you start? Easy. First, set an achievable goal, like saving up $500 to $1,000 quickly to handle smaller emergencies. Next, automate your savings. Make it effortless by automatically transferring a set amount to a dedicated savings account each paycheck. And finally, aim to build up 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses over time. This might seem challenging at first, but remember, each dollar you save today buys peace of mind for tomorrow. The Sleep Well Fund isn't just money in the bank, it's confidence, security, and a ticket to better sleep at night. And trust me, nothing feels better than waking up knowing you've got your own back, financially speaking. Now, once you've got your emergency fund started, it's time to tackle another major goal. Chapter 2. Getting rid of that pesky debt once and for all. Let me show you how to eliminate your debt like a pro. Debt can feel overwhelming, like climbing a mountain without seeing the peak. But imagine if I told you that there's a clear path to becoming debt-free faster than you thought possible. Whether it's credit cards, student loans, or any other form of debt, today is the day you start taking control back. Here's your debt-crushing game plan. First, get clear about your numbers. Write down exactly how much debt you have, along with interest rates and monthly payments. Next, pick a strategy. The debt snowball method focuses on paying the smallest balances first to build momentum, while the debt avalanche tackles high-interest debts first, saving you money long-term. Choose the one that motivates you most. Finally, consider ways to speed up your progress, like negotiating lower interest rates, using debt consolidation wisely, or funneling extra income from side hustles directly into debt repayment. The freedom you'll feel once your debts are gone is priceless. Every payment you make is another step toward that freedom. Keep your eyes on the goal. Imagine a life without debt holding you back. That reality is closer than you think. Now that you're tackling debt, let's talk about building your savings momentum. Next up, achieving your first $10,000 in savings. Imagine checking your savings account and seeing that beautiful 5-digit number, 10,000. It's not just money, it's proof of discipline, smart decisions, and commitment to your future. Achieving your first $10,000 can set you up for even bigger financial victories down the road. Ready to make it happen? Here's how. First, clearly define your savings goal. Know exactly why you're saving, whether it's for investing, buying a home, or simply gaining financial security. Next, trim unnecessary expenses. Evaluate your spending habits honestly and redirect money from things that don't add value to your life into your savings. Lastly, boost your savings by finding additional income. A side hustle, selling unused items, or freelancing are fantastic ways to accelerate your savings. Reaching your first $10,000 milestone isn't just about the number. It's about the powerful habit you've built. You've proven to yourself that you're capable of big things, and now you're unstoppable. Speaking of side hustles, let's dive into the 4th chapter. How can you launch your very own side hustle engine this year? Imagine creating an extra income stream that fuels your financial goals and passions at the same time. Welcome to the world of side hustles, your personal engine for financial growth. Whether your goal is paying off debt faster, accelerating your savings, or just enjoying more freedom, a side hustle can turbocharge your progress. Here's your quick start guide. First, identify your skills, hobbies, or interests that can be monetized. Think freelance writing, graphic design, tutoring, selling online, or creating digital content. Next, validate your idea. Offer your service or product to friends, family, or online communities to gauge interest and gather feedback. Lastly, scale up your hustle by promoting yourself effectively online, consistently delivering great value, and reinvesting earnings to grow even faster. Starting your side hustle isn't just about extra cash. It's about empowering yourself to create opportunities and taking control of your financial future. So why wait? Your side hustle engine is ready to go. Start it today. With your side hustle rolling, it's time to take the next powerful step. Number 5, master smart investing, even if you're a beginner. Investing might seem intimidating at first. Charts, numbers, complicated terms. But here's the truth. Anyone can become a successful investor, even if you're starting from zero. Investing smartly can transform your finances and help secure your future. Let's simplify investing for you. First, start small and keep it simple. Explore index funds or ETFs, which provide diversification without the complexity. Next, automate your investments. Regular, consistent investing, even small amounts monthly, can build significant wealth over time. Lastly, keep learning. Commit to regularly improving your investing knowledge, but avoid hype and complicated strategies you don't fully understand. Remember, investing is not about quick riches. It's about consistent, smart decisions that grow your wealth steadily. Start today and watch how quickly your financial confidence grows. Chapter 6. Unlock the secret of passive income. What if you could make money while you sleep, relax, or even vacation? Welcome to passive income, the true secret to financial freedom. Here's how to unlock passive income. Explore dividend-paying stocks and bonds. Create digital products like ebooks, online courses, or apps. Consider rental properties or equipment rental as potential sources of steady passive income. Passive income isn't just extra cash, it's a step toward living life on your terms. Let your money work for you. Start building your passive income streams today. Finally, let's talk about something that ties all these goals together: the foundation of true wealth. Chapter 7. Upgrade your money mindset, the secret to true wealth. Your mindset about money can either limit or unlock your potential for wealth. Shifting from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset is key to financial success. Here's how to upgrade your mindset. Practice gratitude daily. Surround yourself with positive financial influences. Set clear financial intentions and visualize your goals. True wealth starts in your mind. By upgrading your money mindset, you create the strongest foundation for lifelong financial success. There you have it. 7 powerful personal finance goals to crush this year. Remember, taking control of your finances isn't just for adults. It's essential for teens and young adults too. Share this video with friends and family to help spread financial empowerment. And as always, nothing in this video is financial advice. This video is designed to inspire and educate. Do your research, stay informed, and make choices that best suit your individual financial situation. See you in the next video.